Just wanted to show you the scale. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Didsbury Art Studio and I'm Sally. And in today's video what I want to do is go back to the WAVE Smocking piece that I did, and I want to do a little miniature version of it. I've got some really beautiful satin fabric to see what it comes out as a miniature sort of WAVE Smocking. That was a particularly popular video a little while back, or still is actually. I just want to see what I can do with that WAVE Smocking, and if you want to check out the playlist of my smocking you can see tons of other ones as well. So let's get straight into the video. I always like to start with my fabric stretched out, so I've just ironed it and taped it down to the table, and I'm doing 1/2 inch squares with my very long meter ruler, and I'm using one of those biro pens that you can just rub out later, and that's the design. What exactly are you doing down there, Layla? What is it? This is the design. I've left a little bit of a gap all the way around the base, and I'm just deciding whether I want to go really far across this piece. I may well do. It's just quite long. See, the design is you kind of do these parallel lines facing up, leave a gap in between each of them and across, and then do the parallel lines the opposite way. Oh, what are you doing, Layla? Don't knock that over. You're messing. You're messing again. For some reason you love it behind there. Don't knock it over though. Don't knock it over. Come on. What's that string doing? What's that string doing? Let's get that out of the way. Oh no, it's a game. It's a game. Right. No. Going backwards. There we go. Okay. So this grid, instead of it being 1 inch squared, it's 1/2 inch squared, just because I want to see whether I can do more of a miniature piece with the WAVE Smocking. I've managed to do
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. I've done 8 across. And what's it work out down?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16 down. I can always add the design as I go along further across, but for now I'm going to stick with this size because I think that's going to take quite some time. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so here we go. You are going to start from the top right of one of the squares. I've gone for the top left square, but the top right sewing tiny little stitch, and I'm going to do a couple of stitches and then a knot and secure it down. The tighter you do this, the better your WAVE Smocking will come out. And it's really straightforward because I think you've probably seen some of my other videos on WAVE Smocking. I've done a couple using different materials, but this is one of the easiest, I find, smocking designs, and the effect is just so cool as well. So yep, you can see what I'm doing there. And it's the sort of thing that you can do, you know, when you're chatting with your friends or watching some TV or listening to the radio or whatever it is you're doing. It's really quite therapeutic. And I'm just going for it. I'm going from the top down to the bottom, and there I'm just showing you the back and then what it looks like on the front. I think it's looking really cute, really miniature, really cute. And then you start on the second row, exactly the same technique, but I'm just going to start at the bottom of the square, bottom right, and go up to the top left. And once again, pull your upholstery thread really tight, double knot it if not more, and you'll get a really sharp design. I've done 2 rows there and it looks so unbelievably cute. Look at that teeny tiny wave. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I spend half of my time trying to change the perspective of where I'm videoing from. So with this one, I've jumped up on a table and set the camera up near the chandelier lamp. And then over here, I've leant the tripod against the wall. And down here, I've put the arm sort of tripod that I've got, gripped it to a table in front, and just obviously done a close-up there. And then, whether you like it or not, I've done a sort of full frontal piece of me. I always look so serious, don't I, when I'm sewing? Look at that. And then I'm just going to show you, I've done a couple of rows. That didn't take me too long, but you can see, because I've had a change of clothing in many of these, well, not yet, but coming up, change of clothing is because I sort of do a couple of hours where I can fit it in on different days. And sometimes I do quite a bit of the filming at the start and then obviously go away in my own time and do some more sewing to catch it up to the end of the piece, so that when you see it, it's obviously very nearly done. But I do thoroughly enjoy doing this smocking. Out of all the videos that I've been doing over the last year, I am really gripped by the smocking. I think it's just such a fun thing to do. Not only is it therapeutic, but it also has fantastic results, I think. I just wanted to show you, that was one of the other videos that I did on WAVE Smocking, but I just wanted to show you the scale and how different it is. So you can see it's really much smaller than that original one of 1 inch. I'm so nearly finished now. I'm on my last 2 stitches, so that's a relief. All that's left to do is to obviously get the pen off. So I'll show you any second now once I've finished. Hello, Leila. Hello. Hi. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any ideas about what I could do with some of these small smocking samples. A pile over here of all the ones that I've done over the last year, and yeah, I'm sort of keeping them as a bank of kind of ideas and different patterns for smocking and things, which is fine. But if you have any other thoughts, let me know in the comments. I'd be really interested to hear. So there we go. Mini WAVE Smocking That is so cute. Give you a closer look. How lovely is that? And that was the other one, so you can see the size. Really happy with that. I will just get rid of the pen, and yeah, it just feels gorgeous. It's really cute. So I just want to say that obviously me doing these different techniques and sharing them with you, I thoroughly enjoy doing it. Sorry about Layla, she's listening now. Just love doing these different techniques, and it's kind of developing my skills as well. And also it's just great to get the comments and the feedback and the engagement from you. I enjoy that. So I hope you enjoyed my video today, and if you did and you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe and like, and also hit the notification button so you can see when I upload next. Take care of yourselves this week, and I'll see you next Monday. Bye!